This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes.
Hello guys and welcome back. Now this is going to be a brief conclusion to my course that I created on Canva, and I hope you found it both informative and enjoyable. We covered a lot of ground in this course, and I hope you feel more confident in your design abilities and can see the potential Canva has to offer. Remember, design is all about creativity and expression. And Canva is a powerful tool that can help you unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Whether you're creating graphics for your business or just for fun, Canva is the perfect platform for your next project. Yes, it's true. So, thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope you feel inspired to continue exploring Canva and honing your design skills. Don't forget to practice, experiment, and have fun with your designs. And I wish you all the best in your design journey, okay?